Okay, welcome back. Now we've added a course title, so we need to click on the course wizard here. Okay, that arrow that takes us to the next steps, which is adding. Uh, okay, we've added course title, so adding course category. So you need to choose from a list of already made categories on the system, and then you just simply select the category that suits. Okay, so you can change to music instrument. Okay, there is a songwriting category. There is a children lesson. There is music business. But I think music theory fundamentals should be under. It's not music production. It is music theory. Okay, so just pick out of the list of list of categories here, the one that most suited for your course. Okay, all right, so that's how to add a course category. Then the next thing is uh, adding a course image. Okay, so to upload your course image is a descriptive photo, is a descriptive uh, artwork that uh, shows at the front end for students. So it's basically the first thing beside the course title. It's the first thing students are going to see. Okay, in the list of courses of the platform. All right, so you want to ensure that your course image is good enough. Okay, so to add your course image, you just tap that photo symbol there, and then uh, you should be able to should allow you to select uh, photos from your computer. Okay, so with that you can add a photo to your course. So that's my image. Okay, so you can see it's good enough, it's beautiful enough. All right, okay, so that's how to add a course title and a course image. See you in the next video.